English vocabulary words for groups of animals from espressoenglish.net. There are many words for animal groups in English, but many of them are not usually used in everyday speaking. So here are the most common words for animal groups. A colony of ants. A swarm of bees, flies, moths, or butterflies. A flock of birds, or a flock of geese. A herd of cattle, elephants, goats, pigs, or sheep. A pack of dogs, or wolves. A colony of rabbits. A school of fish. A pride of lions. A nest of snakes. A litter of puppies, kittens, or other young animals. Litter refers to the group of babies that are born from one mother animal. Visit espressoenglish.net and take the Vocabulary Builder course in order to increase your vocabulary and improve your fluency.